You manage over 200 websites. Most agencies start struggling even when they're managing 30, 40 websites. So how do you manage so many websites?
Hard learning, that's the best tip. We have some clients, we are working 15 years together, building different projects for them, and a lot of years learning hard and doing things wrong, I think. When you do things wrong, you get learned and your next things you do better. I'm Kees. I'm running an agency in the Netherlands, a small agency with 5 people, and we use WP Remote to manage the website for our clients, about 250. We manage web shops and websites in WordPress.
Dutch people are famously very direct. So what are some things that you can say to your clients that maybe other nationalities would be too polite to say?
I think it's the direct words. It's okay what they tell, but how they tell. So I can say, okay, it's okay what you say, but please use normal words. We are also humans.
Okay.
I don't think in India people will do that.
You manage over 200 websites. Most agencies start struggling even when they're managing 30, 40 websites. So how do you manage so many websites?
We use WP Remote for the managing the websites, and it saves time when you use a good tool to manage the website. Maybe there are other tools, but for us, WP Remote is great. But invest in a tool, because manual, you don't make it.
Your WordCamp talk is about projects that fail before the code starts. So what does your discovery process look like so that does not happen?
Hard learning, that's the best tip. A lot of years learning hard and doing things wrong, I think. When you do things wrong, you get learned and your next thing you do better. When you start, you lose money, and you be better, you get more money.
Yeah. Do you use any processes to make sure these projects don't fail?
When you use tools, you get streamlined, you get your processes streamlined, so that's good to use.
You help clients with performance, SEO, and also conversions. When a client comes to you with all 3 problems, then which one do you start with?
Performance, because it's direct impact on conversion.
Is it hard to help clients with performance?
It's very difficult because it depends on Google, and Google is strange. So yes, it's hard to work at performance, but you have some basic rules you can start with, like big images, lazy loading, too many plugins, like that. So start with that and then work further.
You've been coming to WordCamps for a few years now. What's some conversations that happened at these events that helped you improve the way you work?
I'm here because I want to connect with them and discuss in real life. It's different from an email or a Zoom meeting or whatever.
A lot of WordPress agencies wonder whether it is worth coming so far to WordCamps, attending them. So if there's agency owners who are thinking whether they should come, what would you say to them? And what are your plans for 2026? What are the kind of things your agency is focusing on this year?
Growing the team, let the team grow, hold my clients, that's most important, get them satisfied, and also looking for new clients, but it's not the target. My target is to hold my existing clients. Yeah, sure, we have some clients, we are working 15 years together and building different projects for them.
How do you build such a long relationship? Agencies are often wondering how to keep clients so long.
Try to keep them satisfied, and sometimes when you make a fault, say it's a fault and fix the problem you made. So be honest. That's the most important thing, I think.